Hey everyone, it's Ruger. Today I'm just talking about a simple wall fan. For some reason, when we're looking at fans, I didn't really consider wall fans. I hadn't seen them in the past. For some reason, I thought they no longer made them. But I'm looking at this bedroom here. Here we have this wooden beam that goes straight through the middle of the bedroom. It's about 7 feet tall. So it doesn't the architecture of this house of this specific bedroom does not allow for us to install a traditional ceiling fan and light. This is an older house, so we have no attic, no insulation. We really needed something to circulate the air. We had the traditional fans, that are stand. We have those fans you put in the window, box fans. We had different things. The frustrating thing about those is you have to move it from time to time. So if you have a window fan, you close it during the day, you remove it from the window. If you have a stand fan, you have to move it, it gets in your way, it takes up real estate. Um, this fan here, it has a metal grill, which I really like. It has a remote control, another thing I really like. And then it's simple install, just 3 screws in the wall. You tie it there or it'll hold it in. And then it comes with a 6 foot cable here. Let me show you the strength of this. So again, with the remote, it has 3 speeds. There's the highest, medium, and they're the lowest. It also oscillates. So start moving. You can even do a timer, and then you can just turn it off. For some reason, again, looking at fans, we're looking at all the other kinds. This ended up winning for us to buy and install. Super simple installation. Again, I love it. We bought it on Amazon. Shinnick. Not sure if that's how you say it. $42, about $50. To ship it to you. Super simple install. You put it together. You drill the 3 holes, put it on the wall, and that's it. But I want to make this video because there's not that many videos about wall fans. They may look old or traditional, but they're pretty headache free. Again, no need to remove from the window like a traditional window fan or box fan. It's not going to take up real estate in your corner or in your living room. It's on the wall. It's just going to take a plug, 6 feet, cord, and again, it comes from a remote. We turn it on at night, put it to oscillate, and then we place a little timer. So super simple. And there we see everything. That's all I have for today. If you're looking into fans, especially with this summer heat, consider a wall fan if you haven't looked into these. Again, we were limited by the architecture of this bedroom. Old construction house, really can't install a ceiling fan or any other types of fan. This wall fan was the way to go. Thanks everyone.